In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to crossplay Dune Awakening PlayStation 4 and Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, we're going to be discussing the possibility of doing crossplay for Dune Awakening when it releases officially on PlayStation and Xbox consoles. So, right now, during the time that I'm recording this video, in the end of June 2025, Dune Awakening is only available on the Steam store, where you can go ahead, purchase the game, start playing, leave a review, you can watch streams, and so on. It was released in the 10th of June 2025. Currently, if you visit the Microsoft Store and the PlayStation Store, the game does have a store page, so obviously it is going to be officially released in these platforms in the future, but you cannot purchase it right now. You will have to wait until the game is officially announced and then eventually released. There are trailers available on places like their official YouTube channel, so clearly they intend on moving forward with the console releases. Now, when it comes to crossplay, this is sort of a gray area at the moment. They haven't really announced much, but it seems like their initial plans, according to what little things they have mentioned, is that they want to refine the PC version, and only after the PC version is released and worked with, they will enable crossplay. And because the game is not even out yet, we can only speculate. Sadly, we cannot make any safe guesses, so it is up to waiting and seeing how they are going to tackle crossplay for these different platforms. One thing to keep in note, however, is that the game, in my opinion, is unlikely to release on old-gen consoles. The current trailer that you can see here is available on the PlayStation 5, so there is no guarantee that it will be released for old-gen consoles. The Xbox store page of the game does list availability on Xbox One, as you can see here, but who is to say that the game is going to function well on these old-gen consoles? The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to discuss the possibility of crossplay for Dune Awakening and how much down the road this will be introduced as an official feature. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to crossplay Dune Awakening PlayStation 4 and Xbox, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.